teaching you guys about how I personally like to do my eyebrows. Today I will be using this L'Oreal Brow Stylist in the shade 215 Deep Brunette. I will be using the little Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade Aerial Techniques eye brush to blend out any extra concealer that I have. For my L'Oreal Stylist brow pomade, I typically like to make sure that it's not gonna be flaky and nasty on my eyebrows, so I like to add a little bit of argan oil or whatever type of oil that I have. It kind of makes it creamier and a lot easier to use to blend into my eyebrows. So I typically like to begin from about the center of my eyebrow and work my way out. And then I like to move up to the top. Typically what you want to do is you want to find where you want your angle to be at if you want your eyebrow to be angled. Into the tail of your eyebrow, picking up as you need it. And then I like to go up to the front. Any mistakes that I just clean up with my spoolie a little bit, kind of blend it out. And then in the front, I like to go up and down. And then I'll use my spoolie again to kind of blend it out. I don't want it to be too dark in the front. Okay, once I have built my brow to as full as I would like it to be, what I like to do is I like to take my concealer and just load a small flat brush with it, and it doesn't have to be one like this. It can be like any type of like angled flat brush. I just like it to be really nice and flat. Okay, and I go in and I clean up any mistakes. For this part, you might want to really take your time. Make a mistake with your concealer where you get too much onto where you don't want it to be at, you can just use your spoolie and blend the concealer out of your eyebrow. You can go back in with a little bit more product. Kind of get in the way if you don't have your eyebrows already tweezed or waxed or whatever you prefer to do to them. I though feel like it's just easier to make a tutorial on eyebrows that haven't been taken care of as far as hair removal, because it gives people who don't really want to pluck their eyebrows a chance to see what options they do have as far as filling in their eyebrows wherever they would like to fill in their eyebrows. Now what I like to do too, after I'm done sort of lining the outside, the upper and the lower part of my eyebrow with concealer, I kind of like to drag it out, still using that same flat brush. Drag it out and out and out and out. And the reason why I like to do this is because I like to make sure that I don't have too much concealer near my eyebrow, so that when I go in to really blend it out, I won't have to be too close to my eyebrow, and I don't have to risk losing any product that I have that I want to keep where my brow is at. Okay, and afterward, I just like to go with my spoolie one more time to kind of make it look a little bit more natural. Okay, and there we have it. There is my right eyebrow concealed and filled. Now we can see the difference between my left and my right. There is a very big difference. Of course, like I said, if you twist your eyebrows or anything like that, they would probably be more even, just a lot more flawless. And you pull it over, all the way over to your other brow. You can really see if they're as even as you would like them to be, or if they need a little bit more touching up. And I typically like to go down the center to clear out any unibrow. About how I personally like to do my eyes. Are usually not as bold as I have currently made them. Sometimes I tone them down a little bit more. This is just the way that they usually come out whenever I am using this product, the L'Oreal Brow Stylist frame and set. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.